The new Home Assistant SkyConnect Zigbee and Matter dongle. The Home Assistant SkyConnect dongle is now available to purchase. At the moment, the dongle supports Zigbee only. Matter support will be available in a future update. We will cover setting up using ZHA built into Home Assistant. Future videos will cover using the dongle with Zigbee to MQTT and with Matter once released. First, we'll look in the box the SkyConnect comes in. It comes with important advice to use the USB extension cable. Particularly with the Pi, there is a lot of interference caused in the vicinity of the USB 3 ports, and using an extension cable helps with that. The warranty and safety information booklet, the dongle itself, and the extension cable. A quick setup to perform for Proxmox users to enable the dongle to be seen. If you use the Pi, a PC or any other standalone device, you can ignore this section. Go to the VM properties and select the hardware section, click Add, and from the drop down select USB device. From the Add USB device wizard, either select Use USB Vendor Device ID to select the specific device, or use USB port to select the port the device is plugged into. Then click Add. Once done, to ensure the device is properly recognised, click on the shutdown button and select Reboot. Setting up the SkyConnect is relatively simple. Either select Settings and Devices and Services, or click the link from the New Devices Discovered notification. You'll see a SkyConnect device found. Click on Configure. When asked if you'd like to set the device up, click Submit. Click the Create a New Network button. If you've already set the device up previously, select Erase Network Settings and create a new network. When the success screen shows, click Finish. When back at the integration screen, click Configure. You'll see a Properties page for the device. To add a Zigbee device, click Add Device. The dongle will look for devices in pairing mode. Check the instructions for your device to find out how to do this. This may take a couple of minutes. When finished, you'll get an Initialization Complete banner. You can select the area where the device is located. Click the back arrow. To see the devices, click Devices, then click the sensor. From here you can see the current status and add it to a dashboard. That's a basic overview of the SkyConnect. We'll be releasing more videos soon, including Matter as soon as this is supported. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you like what you saw. Please subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider becoming a patron at our Patreon or join our channel. The details are below.